What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And I've been getting DMs all day today. TK, do you see where the green monster's at? Do you see where the green monster's at? Are you gonna bid on it? Are you gonna bid on it? And I figured, let's look at it. Let's look and see where it's currently sitting at. And I'm willing to bet it's probably sitting lower. Look, yep. So think about this. Every week at this time, that car was sitting higher, right? It's currently sitting at 15,300 with 13 hours to go. See, this was the thing that I tried to warn USAA about, was that they're not going to have somebody that's willing to pay what I was willing to pay for the car. And the other individuals that were bidding on the car, like Ali from Tennessee and Matthew from Wisconsin, they're probably bid on it themselves or however they want to get that situated. And I wish them both the best of luck, whoever it is that does win it. I know that they're both looking at bidding on the car, and I hope that one of those people win it, and I hope they win it for much less, because with the way it looks right now, I don't see the car going over $20,000 tomorrow. See, this is what happens. It is what it is. As you can tell, I'm not home. I'm traveling, and I got some crazy stuff for you guys. The BMW is a totally different car at this point, and I can't wait to show you guys all the cool things that we did. And yes, you guys were asking, the car is getting tuned. I already ordered my MHD dongle, and I have some big things coming on that car. That, I mean, ridiculous. But you guys were asking me for an update on the Green Monster and whether or not I was gonna bid on the car. And the short answer to it is, I think I'm going to stand on like what I said. I didn't renew anything with my broker this week. So like I said, I'm not personally bidding on the car. We didn't renew our thing with the broker, just because I'm tired of having the 20-something plus $1,000 tied up. And USAA is just playing games. They're not approving the bid. They're not even counter bidding. So I'm just like, F it, I'm done. So there you have it. You guys have been asking me for updates on the car. I wanted to give you guys that update. It is going live tomorrow morning. We'll see what the car ends up selling for, and then we'll see if USAA actually approves it. I have a feeling it's going to go for so much more or less tomorrow than it has the last two times. And in case y'all didn't know this, this actually costs USAA money every week. This is the last week that they you know, with their deal, that they get to just run it back through the auction before now they will start incurring fees and all of that good stuff. So I think they'll be more motivated to sell it. So we'll see. I know a lot of you guys will say, well, then TK, you should bid on it. Again, like I try to make this clear to you guys, I got so much other stuff going on. We're not going to be held up, you know, dealing with the car. And from some of the stuff that I haven't been back to the yard since the day I left. That's the other thing. A lot of people said, you know, have you been back to Lumberton? And no, I haven't. I have not been back to the Lumberton yard. And I don't have any plans to return anytime soon. But I had somebody hit me up and they were like, hey, we noticed that the doors or something were open on the car. You know, it's out on the front line. And with everybody getting in and out of that car to check it out and all that other stuff, I'm just kind of like, nah, I'm good. I'm straight. But you know, we'll see what happens. I wish everybody that is bidding on the car the best of luck. You guys are going to get some big news and some big updates coming here in the next week or so on some of the Mopar stuff we have coming to the channel. And you guys got more videos on the 1953 Pontiac coming. and the tune and the upgrades and all the other stuff to the BMW is coming. A couple different collaborative videos, which I think will be interesting. I think you guys will enjoy those. And, you know, probably, I'm guessing by the time you guys watch this video, I'm either in Las Vegas or on the way to Las Vegas. That would be my guess. Unless I publish it the same day, who knows? All I can tell you is I'm not going to bid on the car. You know, there's literally, you know what? I'll publish it the same day. I was debating on publishing this like after everything was over, but I'll publish this tonight. How about that? I mean, looking at this, it looks like I said, $15,300 is the current bid. And it doesn't look like it's going to go up much more beyond that. So anyways, there's your update. That's what's going on with it. I'm not really interested. I'm not going to push myself on it anymore. And like I said, the same thing I had already said. I wish Ali and Matthew the best of luck bidding against each other on the car. Hopefully one of you guys get it for less than 20 grand. That would make my day. Anyways, with that said, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate y'all tuning in. Lots of content coming for you guys here in January. Oh shit. Oh, you can hear that turbo spool. Oh shit.
It's a different ball game.
See,
this is better than an exhaust system in my opinion.
it is.
Bro.
Dude, are you serious? That thing sounds insane. Perfect.